Hello everyone, this is Yashika Vishnui from Alacrity with Anna, and today is Monday. So we will just check how will be our coming week going to be. So you can choose any of the angels. As you can see, there is a beautiful angel sitting here with us. So you can just choose, you just close your eyes and you can choose any of the angels. Or what you can do, you can just make 3 slips, write down angel 1, angel 2, angel 3. You can choose the slip, whichever the slip will come, that will the week will be like that. So you have to choose the pile accordingly. Now otherwise you can just pray, dear God, goddess, archangels and angels, please tell me which angel pile deck I should choose, or you just choose it one. Okay, so now let's see how will be your coming week from Monday to Sunday. Let's see our tarot cards first. Let's see what angels wanted to say for pile 1. Now let's see what is your life purpose with our beautiful life purpose oracle deck. What is your life purpose for the group A? Now let's see what angels wanted to give you a guidance. Now let's see for the angel 2 what tarot cards wanted to tell you about. One card popped out automatically. So this is for group B or group 2. Now let's see what is the life purpose of group 2 people, those who choose the group 2. This is your life purpose. Let's see what angels wanted to give you a guidance. What is the angels message and answers for you? Now let's come to group C, those who choose this beautiful sitting angel. Now let's see what tarot cards are guiding you for your coming week. How will be your next week or this coming running week from Monday to Sunday? What is the life purpose of group C? Life purpose. Now let's see what angels wanted to tell you. What is angels answer for you? Now let's open the group A cards. What tarot card wanted to tell how will be your coming week? Ace of Wands. So many of you will get good opportunities that God will give you this week. You will get some good news, and few people will get good amount of money also. As I can see, there is a water down, so some of the members will be emotional, some emotional message. It will be good only, some emotional message you will receive this week. So overall your week will be good. Now let's see what is your life purpose. Now life purpose, time to decide, make a decision based on your heart, true desire. So if whatever the question you ask, and if you are in dilemma that what to choose, what not to choose, so whatever your heart is saying, just take the decision, don't make it delay. So whatever your heart is saying is a correct answer for you. Now let's see what angels wanted to give you the answer. So the angels answer is, ask your angels. So if you are facing any of the issues which is you are not able to cope up with, or you are not able to decide what to do, what not to do, so what you need to do is just ask your angels. How you will ask the angels? Please angels, help me with the current scenario, whatever you are facing. You can do some rituals of angels. You can burn some candle, use their favorite incense, their incense sticks. You can use the oils, their favorite oil, their favorite green color angels or cards. If you don't have a angel statue, like you can see a small statue I have, If you don't have a statues, you can use the cards. And those who, I can see this is a golden color card, so just ask for the good money. Okay, and you can burn the golden candle, and you can use some good nice fragrance where angels will attract, and use some good pirate or amethyst or citrine crystals for the money. Now let's see what group 2 tarot card month will be. This is a card which came out automatically. So now you can see this is Knight of Wands. So your coming week, this Monday to Sunday, will be little adventurous, and you have to take care this week. Don't take decisions in rush. So just whatever decisions you will take, just check the scenarios, check ifs and buts and everything. Otherwise your decision may go wrong as well. So just take care, and don't be rush in any of the decisions whatever you are making. So this is the upcoming week for the group B. Now let's see what is a life purpose for you all. Those who choose school, the answers that you are seeking involves going to school. So school doesn't mean that you will go to school. School means just take some guidance, some advice from someone. If you are in any of the situation where you are unable to take a correct step, so whom you think that person is equivalent to your teacher, from whom you can ask anything, that the person will answer you. Just go to that person, ask them. And who are the best teachers and the person who is very close to our heart? Our God, goddess, angels. So you can ask the help from the angel. Now what angel wanted to give you advice or an answer? Be assertive. So be assertive is, now this is a situation actually which is calling to take the matters in your own hand. Like for example, if something is bothering you, which anybody is not taking decisions, so this is the time when you will take decision in your life. So clear your personal feelings, do your aura balancing and cleansing, increase your self-confidence more, and don't think that whatever decisions you will take, it will not be right. So but whatever decisions you will take, just don't think by heart. Just see the scenario, what is a correct thing. So just be assertive and take the decisions, because this is a correct time. Now let's go on to the group C, or last group number 3. Let's see what tarot card is saying how will be your next coming this week, Monday to Sunday. Now you can see this is a card number 8, a strength card. So as you can see, many of you will do some training. As I can see, some training you will attend it, or many of you will give some training to someone. Okay, and I recommend everyone, those who choose the pile number 3rd or group C, this beautiful angel, what you do is just worship goddess Durga this week. And goddess Durga, whatever your problem is, goddess Durga will remove it. So whatever you think it, whatever you asked for, just ask the goddess Durga that whatever issue you are facing, it's removing. And many of you will get some money, as I can see. Now let's see what is the life purpose of yours. Strength, very good. Both cards you can just see is resonating with each other. So your coming week will be full of strength. Everything you are experienced in your life has made you strong and courageous. So pile number C, I can see you people are very much strong. You have a good strength. So whatever we do mistakes in our life, we always learn from that. Whatever we do in our life, we always learn from that. So whatever decisions you wanted to take, you will take a good decision, a right decision, and just pray to goddess Durga this week. Now let's see, within the next few months, somebody may be asked how will be my job, when I'll get the job. So within the few months, your things, whatever you think of the question will be resolved. Okay. And angels and guardian angels are always there to help us, so they are saying just they never interfere in anybody's life, so you have to ask for the help. So what you need to do is just ask help as you ask something from your parents, from your friends, but have some respect only. Okay. So this is the coming week, or we can say Monday to Thursday, that means from 14th of June till Sunday. Your week will be very nice. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye bye.